You know, the idea, that shared dream of ours to build something truly impactful, it was a whisper in our hearts for years. Long before 1998. But that year, right here in the heart of India, we answered its call. We were a modest setup then, fueled by an unexpected opportunity. To make and supply safety nets. And what unfolded was transformative. We quickly realized the immense critical need for comprehensive protection. Organically, fall protection products began filling our purpose. We commit to building everything from the ground up, right here in our fully vertically integrated facilities. Deliver fall protection that works across the world. What began with just 20 in 1998 is now a thriving global family of nearly 5,000 dedicated individuals. Yes,
we are an international group.
Estamos presentes en varios países.
We have different cultures.
Cultures différentes.
வாடிக்கையாளர்களுக்கு நாங்கள் சேவையாற்றுகிறோம்.
Haben unterschiedliche Bedürfnisse.
But we make one promise: to protect your life.
Siamo KS Group.
We are KS Group.
हम हैं KS Group.
Today, our promise resonates across continents. From its heart in India, the brand extends. We are KARAM Safety in India, the Middle East, and Africa. In Europe, we are KRATOS Safety. And across the Americas, Southeast Asia, and Australia, we proudly stand as KStrong. Our manufacturing capabilities have grown exponentially, not just in physical size, but in strength, capacity, and diversity of processes. With 10 state-of-the-art manufacturing units strategically located across India, South Africa, and Brazil, we ensure tailored production and seamless global delivery. The manufacturing excellence of KS Group stands unparalleled. It is driven by advanced automation, lean principles, and an unwavering granular focus on quality. ISO certifications and NABL-accredited testing laboratories are not just accolades. They are a testament to this profound, inherent commitment to protection. Our drive for unique and innovative safety solutions is constant, powered by our robust R&D team, relentlessly pushing boundaries. Our product range has expanded exponentially, developing robust safety solutions to meet the specific needs of construction projects, the oil and gas sector, energy industries, and rescue operations. Our offerings include specialized gear for confined spaces and custom-engineered anchorages for all types of vertical and horizontal work, cultivating a formidable global intellectual property portfolio today. Our expert sales team, with collective decades of experience in fall protection, ensures our safety solutions are universally accessible. Strategically located sales offices and warehouses, bolstered by a vast global network of channel partners, guarantee reach in local languages and adherence to local certifications. Our commitment extends beyond the sale. The KS Group provides exceptional after-sales service with worldwide centers for installation, inspection, and recertification. And to truly empower our users, we have established state-of-the-art training centers in India, France, and Brazil, offering comprehensive safety training and consultancy services. Since 2021, the KS Group has also achieved significant inorganic growth through successful acquisitions across India, Brazil, and South Africa, seamlessly integrating like-minded teams and amplifying our trust and performance. We have strategically adopted cutting-edge IT solutions, ERP, IoT devices, Industry 4.0, and customized digital apps. This empowers us to leverage technology for swift customer feedback and continuous improvement, driving both efficiency and responsiveness. Our commitment extends to our planet and communities. The KS Group is deeply focused on ESG initiatives, actively mapping and deploying strategies to reduce our carbon emissions. Our effective water and waste management systems protect vital natural resources. And fundamentally, giving back is ingrained in our ethos. Our employees volunteer tirelessly, uplifting communities around us with heartfelt gratitude. We adhere to the highest ethical standards, building trust through transparent collaboration. Our diverse, highly motivated team is the very cornerstone of our success. They are individuals deeply ingrained with strong values, boasting a formidable vintage of committed members who have built this legacy brick by brick. The KS Group aims to become a global powerhouse in fall protection manufacturing. Through strategic growth and unwavering industry leadership, our ultimate goal transcends business. It is to be the undisputed global leader in safety solutions, protecting and saving millions of lives across the globe.